once I start GLP-1 medications, do I have to stay on them forever? The short answer is likely yes. GLP-1 medications help regulate appetite and satiety signaling. According to the research, when medication stops, most signals return back to baseline. That doesn't mean everyone regains all the weight, but studies consistently show in about 50% of patients, at least partial weight regain occurs after stopping the medication. This is because obesity is a chronic condition, much like high blood pressure or cholesterol, which is why these medications are often discussed as long-term therapy. Whether GLP-1 medications make sense for you depends on your goals, your unique medical conditions, your tolerance of side effects, medication costs, and how you're supporting behavior and lifestyle changes while taking the medication. If you're trying to decide whether medication, surgery, or another option fits your long-term goals, I've broken that comparison down in a separate video. As always, review options with your healthcare team. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.